Let's do some wax yoga. We are going to do some big strips as big as possible. That way she doesn't have to keep her legs up like this for so long. She had a tiny little surgery and she doesn't want to compromise her comfort, which I completely understand, girl. We want you to be as comfortable as possible. We're going to make it do what it do. I could have easily had her lay on her side or even stand up, but she said she wanted to do this. So I was like, all right, girl, toot that thing up. Wax lady about to get in it. Now, y'all see me here. I'm following the hair growth because it's growing everywhere. She's never waxed back here before, so there's a lot of hairs trapped underneath the skin. But I knew that my girl, Pink Bush Beads, was going to pick up something. You know what I like to say, baby? We leaving here with something. Now, I did send her home with some exfoliating products and some aftercare products. So hopefully it looks a lot better the next time she comes in. But I mean, like, you can clearly see we definitely getting a little something. And she's so good with her legs being up like this. I was so proud of my girl. I was like, are you okay? Do you want to take a break? She was like, I do this on the regular. And I was like, I bet you do. But anywho, Pink Bush Beads is definitely getting the job done. Don't forget to do your cleanup strips, a little stagger every now and then. We'll definitely get those. Like, look at that. And if you want to try out Bush Beads, I think the pink one's still in stock. Just click the Linktree link in my bio. If not, y'all know I always use the OG one as well, the white one. So either way, you can't go wrong. It's the exact same formula. One's just pink and one's not. But look at this little slow-mo. My girl's doing it. I told you guys, this wax is picking up the little tiniest hairs, especially when when we're waxing over an area. It's providing exfoliation and those hairs under the skin just kind of pop up. But yeah, we're good to go. My girl's looking good. Hopefully she has a safe travel to Puerto Rico because TSA is tripping. Thanks for watching. Bye. They don't call me the Cootie Papa Slayer for no reason, baby, because look at these boomerang strips. My homegirl came in after about, 6 months? When I tell you guys I was about to do a whole wellness check on her, because where you been? Like, what is going on? She walked in. The first thing she said was, you got that pink wax in that pot? And I said, Bush Beads? Girl, say less. Lay down and let's get her done. So you already know, baby, we're not finna cut or nothing, because I'm going to show y'all all the magic, all the glory. Like, I'm using every little inch of wax on that stick. We're not playing around. Fast dry time. You can get this little lip part ready right here to take it off. And just go with the curve. I added a little slow-mo because I love y'all. Look at that. Because you're not about to tell me the wax ain't slaying, okay? And I don't know why people can't use this wax. I mean, I find it's easy to use, but I also understand not every wax is for every person. So y'all got to stop saying y'all hate waxes, okay? You don't hate it, baby. You just can't work with it. That's it. Now, let me come over here to this side because, woo-wee. Lord, like, this my homegirl now, and I love her, but please, baby, please. Like, come back. Come back when you're supposed to come back, okay? That's all I'm going to say. If you want to try this wax out, don't forget to create your free pro account. That's all you got to do. Get you some Pink Bush Beads while it's still in stock because it is a limited edition. 10% of the sales goes towards the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. But y'all, look at this right here. Look at this. And you know, because I really love y'all, I definitely did a whole video and it's up on my website. So make sure y'all go and check that out. And then come back here and let me know what you thought, baby, because this wax always going to do what she's supposed to do. Look at that. Magical. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.